Hello guys, so today we are going to study a new type of a chart which is called as a dual axis chart. You can see from this chart, from this visualization only, that there are two type of a chart basically being used together. One is a bar chart, another is a line chart. And the attributes that are basically being used to show this type of a visualization is more than a single or twice attributes. On x-axis we have time, that is date in form of months, and on y-axis we have sales as well as we have profit. So it means this chart is basically visualizing us more than one or two things. By seeing this visualization, you came to know that blue color legend is showing me the profit, whereas bar chart of orange color will be showing me the sales. And it is showing me that in January the sale is less, that is in first quarter my sale is less, but when I'm reaching to the fourth quarter of the year, my sales getting increased. So you can see when the sales is getting increased, with this my profit is also getting increased in the fourth quarter. So if I'm clicking on my profit only, you can see profit is getting increased day by day, as when my sales getting increased, my profit is also increasing. And when I'm clicking on my sales is getting increased from January to that of November and December. And when sales increases, as well as the profit also increases. So this type of a visualization will be very clearly visualizing with the we can say with the increase of the sales, the profit also increases. So both of these things are getting visualized with this type of a chart, where all these things are kept together in single chart. And this type of a chart is called as a dual axis chart, where multiple axes are getting coming together in a single chart and showing us the visualization. So now we'll be learning that how we can create this type of a dual axis chart. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to be knowing that for which element we want to show the data. So if I want to show the data for the order date, so I will picking my order date over a columns, and I want to convert it into months. So my all the months will be coming from January to December in x-axis. Now I want to show the data for sales, and I'll be keeping it over rows. So you can see by default it will be coming in a form of a line chart. Then I am picking my profit and also keeping it over rows. So two chart have been created. One is for profit and other is for sales. So that are the two different charts. One is for profit with month and other is for sales with month. Beside, when I am keeping these things on rows, now the important point is that whenever you're picking more than one year and keeping it over rows or columns, the number of charts will be getting created. If I'll be picking my discount here, the third chart will be getting created. So the point is, the number of years you're keeping over rows or columns, the number of charts will be getting created. Depending upon the number of charts, the marks will be getting increased. So marks will always be the number of charts plus 1. So it means if I am keeping over rows some sales and some profit, it means two chart will be creating, the marks will be 3 plus 1. That is, the one mark is for all. All means it will be working for both this some sales and both this some profit. Now this mark will be telling me, some sale mark will be telling me that whatever I am changing over this, it will be working for this first chart, and what I am working on this second mark, it will be working for this profit one, that is from second chart. Now, as in the previous visualization we have seen that the first chart is a bar chart and the second is a line chart. So both of these chart are coming with the same axis, on a same we can say same plane. So what we need to do is we need to right click on the second chart. Either we can make dual axis here, or we can right click on this row shelf and go to the option of dual axis. So once I am doing a dual axis, my both the charts getting combined together, and it will be showing me that whenever clicking over a, I'm highlighting it, whenever clicking over profit, it will be showing me the line of a profit, and other will be showing me the line of sales. Now the point is, I have to use my marks to show this visualization much better. For the sales which is orange in color, I have to click on the sum sales mark, and I am converting it from automatic to bar. And when I am going to the third mark, that is for blue color, that is for profit, it is a line chart, I want it in a line only, and I want to increase it width of the line, that is size of the line, and it should be, I am increasing its size. So accordingly it will be telling me that now the same type of a chart is being created, where here it is being created between your order date, sales and profit. With the increase of your sales, my profit is getting increased. And this type of a chart which is showing me this type of a visualization will be called as a dual axis chart. I hope that you will be getting the video. If you get it, like it and share the video.